Hello students. In this video, let's dive into the fascinating world of circles. We'll explore important terms and concepts related to circles in a simple and engaging way. A circle is a two-dimensional shape made by joining all the points that are a fixed distance, or radius, from a central point called the center. First, the radius is the distance from the center to any point on the edge. The center is that fixed point. Now, moving on to the circumference, this is simply the perimeter of the circle. A chord is a straight line connecting two points on the circle's edge, and the longest chord is the diameter, which passes through the center and equals twice the radius. An arc is a part of the circumference. We have two types of arcs, a minor arc, which is smaller than a semicircle, and a major arc, which is larger. A sector is the area formed by an arc and two radii connecting the arc to the center. A minor sector forms an angle less than 180 degrees, while a major sector forms an angle greater than 180 degrees. Next, let's talk about segments. A segment is a region enclosed by a chord and its corresponding arc. A minor segment is a smaller part of a circle that's formed by a minor arc, while a major segment is larger. Now, a quick look at theorems related to circles. Theorem 1 states that the angle subtended by an arc at the center is double the angle subtended at any other point on the circle. Theorem 2 states that angles in the same segment of a circle are equal. Theorem 3 states that an angle in a semicircle is a right angle. A cyclic quadrilateral is a four-sided figure with all its vertices on the circle. Fact: the sum of opposite angles in a cyclic quadrilateral is always 180 degrees. A secant is a line that intersects the circle at 2 points, while a tangent touches the circle at exactly 1 point. Remember, the tangent is always perpendicular to the radius at the point of contact. Some of the theorems for tangent. Theorem 1 states that the tangent at any point of a circle is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact. Similarly, Theorem 2 states that the lengths of tangents drawn from an external point to a circle are equal. Theorem 3 states that the point of contact between two circles that touch each other is located along the straight line that connects their centers. Theorem 4 states that if two chords of a circle intersect internally or externally, then the product of the lengths of their segments is equal. Theorem 5 states that an angle in the alternate segment is equal to the angle formed by a tangent and a chord through the point of contact. Finally, Theorem 6 states that when a tangent and a chord intersect externally, the square of the tangent's length from the point of contact to the intersection is equal to the product of the lengths of the chord's segments. Lastly, a common formula. The area of a circle is pi r squared, and the circumference is 2 pi r. For example, if a circle has a radius of 21 centimeters, its circumference would be 132 centimeters. Here's a quick question for you. How many tangents can be drawn from a point outside a circle? Share your answer in the comments below. The complete curriculum for Class 10 is available on our channel. Check out all the links provided in the description below. Please make sure to like, share, and comment for more such videos.